If you have iOS 13 or newer, you can use the Find My app to locate your AirPods. First, open the app on your iPhone. Next, tap the Devices tab on the bottom of the screen. Tap on your AirPods. A map will appear with the location of the headphones and how many minutes have passed since they were last located. If you still can't find them and you have the AirPods case handy, turn the case on using the back button. Then tap Play Sound. You can choose to play sound from the left, right, or both headphones. Once you find them, tap Stop. Or if you bring them close enough to your phone, the sound will stop automatically. If you don't have easy access to your Find Me app, you can also use iCloud to find your AirPods on your phone or on desktop. Start by going to iCloud.com and logging in using your Apple ID. Next, click Find iPhone in the bottom right. Then click All Devices and select your AirPods. Again, a map will appear along with when the headphones were last located. As in the Find My app, you can also turn the case on and click Play Sound to find the individual headphones.